Okay, so this is for DTC 9, and I just wanted to go over our what we were going to do during our client meeting. Okay, so this week, some of the deliverables that we had to have were, and that we have completed, is that we had to have, for example, connect to the database, have a sign up page, have a login page, have a home page, complete most of the CSS, have nav bars, links. We needed to be able to create a database of users, a collection of users, have them be able to log in securely, make sure that their sessions are protected. What else do we have here? Oh yeah, build the connections to the backend. Make sure that the person can change their password. Um, if they're logged out. Authenticate versus authorize. So there's a Gopher version, and then there's a just a person who can just post tasks, um, an about page, and yeah. So let's just quickly go through some of the functionalities we worked with. So this is responsive. It will work for the small screen or the large screen. Just few more things have to get done here. They're still on the backlog, or they're still on the progress thing. So let's quickly just sign us up first. Like you see, the CSS isn't done yet, but it will be. Abby, uh, Abby, username, uh, user 123. Oops. So the username will be like the user ID, it'll be unique. So if it's already exists, it won't let me do it. So for example, username one, email, let's just say that one, password, password, and secret pin, let's just do 1 2 3 4 for now. But if we do this, um, oh God, I gotta do this again. Uh, Okay, let's try this one more time. Quickly fix that. Yeah, so the same thing again, but password, and we'll do 1 2 3 4. But if you try to sign up, it'll say user already exists. So you want to pick, we'll pick a different one this time. We'll say username 1 2 3 4. I don't think that one exists. Yes. Again, we'll just stick to password and a secret pin 1 2 3 4. Um, Sign up. Yeah, so it exists and it takes you to the login page. And here we can do that. User 1 2 3 4 and password. Okay, it does. Another one that was for this week, another deliverable was, what if you forget your password, or what if you want to log back in? So if you log out, first of all, this had to create a encrypted cookie. So or sorry, an encrypted session. So I can only show you here that this session that's created here in this cookie starts with LZ, lowercase LZKEW. And you can see that that one, that's the one that's running right now, LIZKEW thing. So, and it is hashed and encrypted. We also had to show that we were um, that all the users' data that we were saving was also kept safe. So all of our users' passwords and secret pins that we just asked for, they're also kept. Um, the secret pin and the password is kept hashed. It's just garbage. So you can see the 1 2 3 4 that we just made. is right there at the bottom. And yeah, it is connected to the database probably so properly so that we that was something we were able to move on to our uh off of our in progress and our into our done. What was another thing? Oh yeah, to switch. So if we are going to become a gopher, ooh, not that one. If that's one of the things I'm working on right now, making sure all the pages are linked. Um, nope, not that one either. There's a way to switch between the two types of users. There's tasks and history. Um, Also, we had to fill in a profile page. So we're just working on making sure all the functionality for each page is working now. So I would say about half these pages are working right now, and the rest are on the backlog for next week. Um, Home, I think, works, and I think profile works, and logout works. That'll destroy the session and the thing. And the profile page just has all of our user information on it, like welcome, first name, full name, email, that kind of stuff. Um, right now we're just working on the Gopher functionality. I think Rahul's doing that. Um, and so is Sam. I think he's trying to post tasks and make cards on the database. Um, Annan is working on making it better looking and like all the CSS and all the everything that goes in to make it look presentable and not like this, and so it matches our color scheme and everything. And same with Omar. I think Omar was working on, he did all the profile page stuff and all the landing page stuff to that we see here. Yeah, again, it's supposed to be for a phone. So if you do it on phone size, it some functionalities there, but the mobile version is slightly less. That's on the backlog to fix it as well. I'm gonna log out for now and just show that if we log out, we go to our sessions. You can see that we refresh this, it gets destroyed. Refresh document or refresh all. It should have destroyed it. I think it should. I don't know why. Oh yeah, there. So it's gone. Well, so yeah, that works. So yeah, I think that's a good scrum for now. If there's anything else and any other functionality you definitely want to see us incorporate, please let us know and we will do our best. The rest that we talked about will be moved from our backlog into next week's sprint.